This is a recruitment video, and what I'm about to say is intended to make you want to work at Unity Health Toronto's Heart and Vascular program. I could talk about the perks of working here, the teams, the culture, and our level of excellence and innovative care. I really should use recruitment buzzwords like employer of choice, flexibility, professional growth, recognition, and dedication to teams. But instead of all of that, I want to tell a story about how a boarding house for women in an old Baptist church in Toronto turned into a world-renowned teaching and medical center. My name is Emily, and I'm a nurse educator at the St. Michael's Hospital site, and I'm part of a healthcare legacy that spans 128 years. In 1892, the Sisters of St. Joseph's recognized the need to help the growing sick and marginalized community. They founded St. Michael's Hospital with 26 beds, 6 doctors, and only 4 nurses. Today, we have 900 patient beds and over 6,000 staff members. We are downtown Toronto's adult trauma center with a hub for complex cardiac and cardiovascular care and first-in-kind, minimally invasive surgeries. We provide compassionate, physical, emotional, and spiritual care to all in need, staying true to our founding members' promise to pay extra attention to the poor and the homeless people of the city. People who want to take care of their patients and their community. But above all, we are looking for people who share our vision and are inspired by our story.